Come test drive the 2018 X2. The BMW X2 is an absolute gem in the luxury compact SUV segment. The sporty look and long list of high-end features are sure to get your attention and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, panoramic moonroof, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.